Morning everyone, we're going to start this week with looking at fraction revision. It's also needed for your year 12 exam, so it does no harm just to go back through it. So what we're going to focus on Monday and Tuesday will be equivalent fractions and then finding a fraction of an amount. Now, what is an equivalent fraction? There are two fractions that may be different numbers, as in 2/4 and a half, but they are equal when you start sharing them out in a little diagram. How do you find equivalent fractions? Through multiplying and dividing only. You will not add and you will not subtract. So two little examples of types of questions that you could get asked. So we have to fill in the missing box. 5/6 is equal to something over 18. Now, we need to figure out what do you multiply the 6 by in order to make it 18. Because what you multiply by the bottom, you will multiply by the top. So you multiply by 3. You then will take the 5 and you will multiply it by 3. 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. So 5/6 is equivalent or equal to 15/18. Second one. Again, we're filling in the missing box. 6/5 is equal to 30 over something. Now, what do we do to 30 or to get to 6? Remember, we said we can only either multiply or divide. So you're going from a big number to a small number, which means you're dividing. 30 divided by 5 . 30 divided by 5 will give you 6. Now we need to figure out what this number is here. What number that when you divide it by 5 will give you an answer of 5? We know to find the original starting number, you could do a little multiplication. 5 times 5 will give you 25. And just to check you're right, 25 divided by 5 will give you 5. You also could have done that question. 6 multiplied by what will give you 30, which is 5. 5 times 5 gives you 25. I just wanted to show you an example of a multiply and an example of when you have to divide.